Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how we can show Steam FPS in Steam, so for your games. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in dashboard, right here. Go to Steam, go to settings, and you're gonna see it right here, in game, right? And you're gonna select the Steam overlay, and you're gonna see in-game FPS encounter. And you can like choose it to top left, top right, and bottom left. Like when I go to the top right, okay. Now what can I do is that I can just turn on some game. I hope it's going to work and you're gonna see it. Oh, it needs to be updated. But yeah, this is how we do it. So make with the top right. I think on games like CSGO, this really depends on the game. Give me a second, let's test it out. It's going to work on Shapes. Yeah, I don't see it here. I don't know why I don't see it, but this is how we turn it on. On this game is not working. This is like perfect game. This is something I created. So yeah, I would need to combine purple, 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 purple. So that's I don't know what it's combining of purple, but who knows. But this is how I do it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.